Welcome to Kania CRP. While using the system, you might receive some bugs or errors while operating. To fix these problems, your system admins might ask a type of file which is called a trace file. Trace is a feature in Kania CRP to track and display the logs of Kania CRP operations. For example, if you're listing the sales orders in SALT01 transaction, the trace file can display all the scripts that have transpired while you're listing the sales orders. To create the trace file, you will first need to add the trace button on your toolbar. To get a trace file, click on the trace button to start the trace before beginning your operation. Then go to the transaction, perform your operation, and when you're done, click trace button again to stop the trace. To view the trace file, go to div T31 transaction, select the relevant trace file, and click on the Show button to view the logged code scripts. In addition to that, you can copy the trace, zip it, and send it to the relevant people with email. To copy the trace file, you must select a pathway first and select a program to open the trace file. If you don't need the trace file anymore, you can delete the trace file by clicking on the delete button.